How to install the LinkedIn on your laptop or PC. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Before diving into the steps or the process to install it on your device, let's see what LinkedIn is. So LinkedIn is a professional networking platform that allows individuals to connect with colleagues, peers, and potential employers. It is primarily used for the professional networking, job searching, industry discussion, and sharing updates about one's career or business. It has various opportunities such as professional networking, job searching, company research, personal branding, industry insights, and discussions. It is easily available on the Microsoft Store, so you just have to tap open the Microsoft Store and then on the search bar type in LinkedIn. Once you get the application, you just have to tap open or tap on the button which says get. This will now start to download and install the application on the device. However, here are some key considerations regarding the cons or the disadvantages of the application. The very first one would be spam and unsolicited messages. Second would be the privacy concern about the information they share on LinkedIn. Likewise, the third would be job application overload. With the ease of applying on the jobs on LinkedIn, some job posting may receive a high volume of application, making it challenging for candidates to stand out. Users can also switch to the web version of the LinkedIn by going on linkedin.com and using the application in a proper way. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.